In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-questions in Google Forms in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to create a dynamic and engaging survey or questionnaire, Google Forms is an excellent tool to use. Now let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once there, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you're going to select Google Forms. This option allows you to choose between a blank form or a template. For today's walkthrough, let's go with a blank form. Once your blank form appears on screen, you'll see it's comprised of several sections to fill out. Start by giving your form a name. This is important as it sets the focus of the survey you're about to create. After naming your form, it's time to add your questions. Click on the area that says Untitled Question. Here you can type in your first question. Keep it clear and concise for the best responses. Now for response types, click on the drop-down arrow next to your question and select Multiple Choice. This option will allow for flexibility when you set up sections with different paths for your respondents. Next, let's add a section. Sections are crucial for creating sub-questions or follow-up questions based on previous answers. Click on the Add Section button, which appears as two horizontal lines. Once your section is added, it can be used for the sub-questions you plan to include. To edit any section's name or instructions, simply click into the text field and type away. Now you might be wondering how to link your main questions to these sections or sub-questions. To do this, focus your attention on the 3 vertical dots located on the question box's lower right. Clicking on these dots will present an option called Go to Section Based on Answer. Selecting this allows you to direct your respondents to different sections based on their previous responses. It's a fantastic way to create a more personalized form experience. Once you've set up your sections and connected them to relevant questions, it's time for a quick preview. Click on the eye-shaped icon to see how your form looks in action. This will lead you through the questions as if you were a respondent. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. When satisfied, simply click Send or Publish to share your newly created form with respondents. And there you have it, your Google form complete with sub-questions ready to gather insightful data from your audience. Remember, the key is practicing these steps to become more proficient. Thanks for watching and happy form building.